Tagbilaran City, Bohol, the Philippines. More Magnifico MAGSAYO. Our referee, Ivan Guillermo.
He saw that right from the beginning. MERCADO hit him with that left hand. So MAGSAYO's got to be ready. He's got to be alert. You know, I'm liking what I see already. I saw the step over. You know, as if to say, I want an early night, but I want to give everybody an opportunity to show my skills to the world once again. Beautiful setup right there for MAGSAYO. And that's what we talked about in the dressing room. I talked to him, I talked to his wife. I said, I can't overreach, I can't lunge in, and he's starting to do that. He's got to set up his punches. I agree with you. He'll get caught extending. You know, you never know what this man has. The counter puncher could sit down on something and wait for you to make a mistake. He needs to let his hands go. I mean, MAGSAYO, he has to let it go. Let your hands go. You're in a fight. You sit back and pace. You know, look at the scars. Almost got up there from that left. And BRYAN MERCADO, he's ready. I mean, let's remember, let's remind people that BRYAN MERCADO was supposed to fight November 30th against Moulton. But Moulton came in 15 pounds over the weight limit. Moulton, obviously, a great prospect from Mayweather Promotions, and obviously said, no, I can't fight this guy 15 pounds over. So here he is. That was November 30th, and BRYAN was ready. What's with these Mayweather fighters? They seem to come overweight, like you know, that's part of their game plan. And even the advice they give people, coming over. I don't know. Sometimes you get away with it, and you know, they're waiting. I guess they hope that the fighter will take the fight and have that advantage. But BRYAN said, no, I'm not taking the fight. Here he is. Against MAGSAYO, like you mentioned, an experienced fighter, speed, power, he's got it. Letting his hands go, beautiful body shot right there. MAGSAYO's cutting the ring off right now. He's just waiting. He's anticipating. He knows what's in front of him. He can feel the skill level that's in front of him. There you go. Walk him down. Shot to the body. Mouthpiece out some experience right there, a better move to catch some air, to gain, you know, opportunity to recover a little bit. You know, MAGSAYO, he's experienced, he's gonna go for Now looking at the corner, MAGSAYO, and they seem to be great upset about something. They're probably talking about the mouthpiece that he got. Here he is again, MAGSAYO. MAGSAYO's a great finisher, but hey, the time is up. MERCADO side. Great time. You can definitely see the experience. Jab. Oh, he opened up the guard. Beautiful left hand to the right hand to the body. Another hand. He's got it, obviously. He's faced the likes of Brandon Figueroa, Ray Vargas. Those are the only two defeats that he's got. So, you know, obviously mixed. Oh. MAGSAYO having fun in there. This referee, I think he's getting ready to call it. Give him his count, give him his 10 count. Let him see what he has. The referee's gonna stop this. Yeah, I'm surprised MERCADO got up. I thought he was just gonna stay there. I'm surprised the corner doesn't stop him. Great stoppage. Oh, and a flip to entertain everybody. And that's what you wanted from MAGSAYO. He said, hey, I wanted a stay busy type of fight, and this was it against BRYAN MERCADO. He did what he had to do. He had to get him out 1 or 2nd round, and he looked just great. Beautiful work from MAGSAYO. Just a different level. I mean, let's just say it. It is what it is. It is what it is, and if he wasn't a boxer, he could be anything he wants. Such an athlete, well-balanced. Beautiful work from MAGSAYO. Congratulations. Enjoy the holidays, and like you said, hey, I'm ready for anything. Bring it. This was just a stay-ready fight, a 6th round, but he didn't need all 6 rounds. He only needed 2. Hey, put on a show. We got more out of that flip, but he got some work in. You got more of a sweat in that flip, for sure. Yes, he did. I agree. 28 seconds into round number 2. Your referee in charge, Gerard White, calls a halt to the bout for your winner by KO victory from Ventura, California, by way of Tagbilaran City, Bohol, Philippines, Mark Magnifico! Ladies and gentlemen, class act. MAGSAYO, ladies and gentlemen.